trying to solve this Rubik's Cube in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Okay, guys, I've actually solved this before, and I'll tell you my best time. I'm not timing myself right now. My best time is 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute 50. That's my best time at solving a Rubik's Cube. So I know that's not very, it's good, but I feel like I can do it better. So been practicing every day, and then I'll just do the rest in time lapse. Okay, guys? And solved. Hope you liked that video. I've actually been practicing my Rubik's Cube skills, so I'll try and make, I know I haven't been posting a lot. I've just been doing a lot of stuff because now it's school holidays. I'll try and be posting a lot more. So hope you like this video, and see ya. Bye.